after repairing these hinges, and you can see this, and this accurately set up, and you cannot feel that these hinges are repaired. Today's video I will show how to fix the hinge. This is the Acer laptop, and this Acer laptop hinge is broken from this display part, and you can see this here, this one is broken. Okay, and nowadays I'm getting lots of laptop are broken hinge problem, and today I'll fix this, and today I'll show also how to repair this very easily, and it will be workable. Let's open it and fix it. Okay, I'll open all this screw from this button cover. Okay, it will take some time, and I don't want to waste your time. After opening this button cover, I will come back in video. Okay, our laptop is running, and before I doing anything in the open circuit, and definitely at first I open the battery connection, disconnect the battery connection, and I did this display connection. Fake connection. This is the broken part. Okay, I will pick this. Here is one thing, you can check this, and you can see this, and this screw are loose from this cover. Okay, that's why also reason the broken this hinge, broken this plastic, and this is not attached very perfectly and strongly. And you can see this side, and this side is broken from the body, and broken part is not available, and maybe customer has lost this broken part, and it will be not work. And this side is okay, this side here is no problem. Okay, let's come to the point, and why this plastic are broken from the back side. I cannot easily play these things, and that's why it's broken, and it's taking a very pressure, and when you open this, that's why it's broken. And I will make this easier, because of if I make this easier, it will be sustainable, and I will make this free to keep, and this is very most easy, and this is not possible to keep this, hold this display strongly, and this one is okay, this one is right side. Okay, here is the mention. After setting it accurate place, you just use instant glue for holding this. And after fixing this accurate place, you just use this aerolite gum. I will keep this 24 hours, and after that it will become very strong. And after using this gum, and these things are strongly attached here, you can see it's easily moving. Okay, and hopefully it will be work perfectly. And our display setting is complete, and set up the top cover. After repair these hinges, you can see this, and this is accurately sitting here. Here is no gap. Okay, this side I have repaired. if you want, you can. And this set I repair, and you can see this here, and here is a no cap. And when you attach this glue, you have to be measure this how much you have to use. Okay, and this set was the okay set, and this set is perfectly okay. Here is a no problem, and this set also no problem. I just and you can see this. Okay, but let's fitting this. Now our setup is complete. Let's check it, and it's working or not. Okay, laptop was the ready. Here is that was no problem, and we just repair the hinge. And let's check this hinge side, and we repair this side. After repairing this hinge, and you can see this, and this accurately set up, and you cannot feel that these hinges are repaired. And you can see this also, this set was okay, and this set also okay after repairing these things. Okay, this is accurately work. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.